These are two of the people who make up the team at Treads of Hailsham, one of the leading garage service suppliers in Sussex. Since the early 90s, Treads of Hailsham has been the go-to place to sort out all your vehicle's needs. The name Treads may suggest that they simply take care of all things wheels. They do that, from puncture repairs to wheel alignment, from brake checks and replacement, to the supply and fitting of tyres to suit any budget. Yes, Treads do all of that, but they can also sort you out when it comes to any mechanical problems or exhaust troubles. No matter what it is, call the team at Treads, and not only will you get tip-top service at the right price with no hidden extras, you'll also get the friendliest of welcomes. In short, one visit to Treads of Hailsham and you'll never want to trust your vehicle to anyone else ever again. Call now or explore the website for more information.